What is sound? Sound is a form of energy. Here, sound is nothing but a form of energy. It comes from a vibrating source. A source which is vibrating, from that it comes. Then sound travels in invisible waves. It travels in invisible waves. And sound can travel through solids, liquids, and gases also. Here, sound can travel through solids, liquids, and gases. Like here, you can hear the sound of an alarm clock. Here you can listen. Here you can listen the sound of an alarm clock. Let us listen the sound of an alarm clock. Then we will see some of the characteristics of sound. Here, all sounds are not alike. Means all the sounds are not same. Here, pitch and loudness make the difference. Pitch and loudness make the difference. Here, pitch is the quality of the sound, a tone in a range of tones. Pitch is the quality of a sound, a tone in a range of tones. Then, pitch is determined by the frequency of the sound waves produced by its source. Here, pitch is determined by the frequency of the sound waves produced by its source. Here you can see the low frequency sound waves which are having low pitch and high frequency sound waves which are having high pitch. Here, when things vibrate slowly, they make a low sound, while when things vibrate quickly, then they make a high pitch sound. Here, when a longer piano string vibrates, it vibrates more slowly and creates a low pitch. While when a shorter piano string vibrates, it vibrates faster and creates a higher pitch. You can listen to different pitches here. You can listen to different pitches. Now, loudness is characterized by high volume and intensity. Here, loudness is characterized by high volume and intensity. Here you can see loud sound waves which are shown by purple color and soft sound waves which are shown by yellow color. Here, purple lines are showing loud sound waves and yellow lines are showing soft sound waves. Now, friends, have you ever tried to listen through a wall to hear the conversation on the other side? Have you done that? Or sound can travel faster through non-porous solids and liquids than it does through gases such as air. Here, sound travels through air at about 300 meters per second. Then, sound travels through liquid at about 1500 meters per second. And sound travels through the solids at about 2500 meters per second. Solids are conductor of sound. Here, solids are good conductors of sound. Here you can see when you mix all the high and low pitches with both the soft and loud tones, and it's mixed in just the right way, sound is a beautiful way to communicate.